Good morning, my dear student. Let's revise our third chapter in AVS, that is from tasting to digesting. Now, there are five important things in this chapter. The first one is our taste bud. Now you see that now you see the pictures of our taste bud. This is the picture of our tongue, and in tongue we have four taste buds. The red part gives the taste of sweet things, and the green part gives the taste of salty thing, and yellow part gives the taste of sour thing, and blue part gives the taste of bitter thing. Now in this picture you see some pink part. On that pink part you see some spots, black spots. These are our tiny bumps. Now the second important thing is our digestion. Yeah. Digestion of human body. It means digestive system. Now when our food enters through mouth, in mouth the teeth started chewing the food and mix with saliva and make it soft. Then the food enter in food pipe. It is also called esophagus. When the food passes through food pipe, it enters in stomach. In stomach there is a digestive juice, and the food mixed with the digestive juice, and then the food enter in small intestine. Here small intestine absorbs whatever nutrients are present in our food. That nutrients are absorbed in small intestine. Then the food goes to large intestine. Here all the water molecules present in food get absorbed in large intestine, and then undigested food passes through rectum. Now by knowing the function of all the parts present in our digestion process, let's do the matching. The first one is food pipe, stomach, small intestine and mouth. Large intestine, opening from where food enters the body and mixes with saliva, most of the nutrients get absorbed. Water is absorbed here. Stretchy bag that holds food and undigested juice. The tube that connects your mouth and stomach. Now let's start matching of these parts with their function. The first one is food pipe. Second one is stomach. Third one is small intestine. Fourth one is mouth. Fifth one is large intestine. Now food pipe, the tube that connects your mouth and stomach. Stomach, water is absorbed here. Stomach, stretchy bag that holds food and digestive juices. Small intestine, most of the nutrients get absorbed. Mouth, opening from where food enters the body and mixes with saliva. Large intestine, most of the nutrients get absorbed. Now this is the picture of hospital where the lady is admitted because she loses lots of water and salt from their body, and the doctor admitted her, and doctor gave him glucose drip. So through glucose drip it get quick strength in their body. Now this one is the food pyramid. See, so in the bottom there are some food. They are cereals like bread, rice, and these foods are very rich in carbohydrates, and they are energy giving food. In the second step there are the pictures of some fruits and vegetables, and they are called protective food because they protect us from many diseases and gives vitamins also. Now, the third part one is milk, yogurt, and milk, meat, fish, egg, nuts, and so many milk products. So, these food are bodybuilding foods. Now, in our diet, all these things are always present because they are balanced diet or proper food. Now, healthy, what are our healthy habits? First, eat foods that are high in fiber like fruits and vegetables. So, we always eat fruits and vegetables. Now, the second one is we should drink plenty of water because it helps in digestion also. So, we should eat at least 8 glasses of water in a day. Now, the third one is chew your food completely before swallow it. So, always chew your food with the help of your teeth. Now, avoid foods high in fats like all type of junk food because it causes obesity. Thank you.